So in order to set alerts on Webull, what you're going to want to do is come to the home screen here. We'll just go back to our positions, and an alert is essentially going to allow you to get a notification on your phone when certain events happen with companies that you are interested in. Okay, so say you are interested in investing in a company when the stock price dips below a certain amount. You don't want to set a limit order that would automatically do that, but you just want to keep an eye on that stock if that were to happen. So what you can do is set an alert up so that when that does happen, you get a buzz on your phone. You don't have to keep your eyes glued to your screen all day. You can just get that buzz on your phone and see, oh, now my stock has crossed that threshold. Maybe now I do want to invest. So how do you set those up? Well, you're going to go over here to the menu. You're going to go to My Alerts. And then from My Alerts, you're going to go over to Alerts. You're going to press this little guy up top here. And you're going to press this plus button here to create an alert. And say we want to put an alert on GameStop stock. Okay, we're going to go to GameStop stock. Boom, we'll tap on that. And we have a whole bunch of options here in terms of what kind of alerts we want to set. So you could set it for the price, you could set it for the percentage change. Let's say we want to set a price alert. Currently GameStop is trading at about $79. We could say if the price were to go above maybe $100, we want to get an alert on that. So we'll turn this on. We'll type in $100. So if the price were to go up to about 23 or 27%, then it would hit $100 and we'd get that alert. So we could do that. We could do a volume above. So a volume on a stock is essentially how much of that stock is trading hands in a given day. So we could set an alert. If the volume were to spike and a lot of people were now transacting with GameStop stock, we could get an alert for that. So maybe if we wanted the volume above, I don't even know, 1,000, and then this multiplies by 1,000, so it's like 1,000,000. So if the volume is over 1,000,000, we get an alert. If there was big news, we get an alert up for that. We could do price movement. There's a whole bunch of stuff. So you get really customized with your alerts that you can set in the Webull app. Now, depending on your trading strategy, different ones are going to be more helpful to you, but just know there are dozens of different options that you can choose from when it comes to actually setting up alerts in the app. So you don't have to be, like I said, glued to your phone all day, just watching those prices. You can just set the alerts up, walk away, and then know that when those events do happen, you'll be notified of those particular situations. So we'll just confirm those alerts that we set up. And then boom, now we've got 3 different alerts for GameStop stock. If those happen, I'll get an alert on my phone, and that is all you have to know about alerts.